Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Blade 10 and I'm going to show you how you can put screen protector on this device. So at the first, remember to have good source of light and something like duct tape or stickers to take off this piece of the dust from the screen. At the first we are going to open the box with our protection glass, and inside we can find glass and also wipes to clean screen. Wet and dry. I hope that you can see it like that. Maybe I can push it. Wet and dry. At the first we are going to use wet. So let's remove all fingerprints and the dust and other mess from the screen. And right now let's go with second wipe with dry. And clean the screen. Right now put it on the second side. Okay, I think that right now our screen looks really good. It's in really good condition, so we can grab our protector, take off this peel. So let's do it. And right now just take a look on the screen and remove all dust that you have here. And right now we are going to start with the upper section of the screen. So keep holding the bottom part. I did something here, or it just scratch. Okay, here we get the scratches, there is no dust. Okay, so keep holding this upper section like that. Put the upper section on the screen on your smartphone and keep holding the bottom part. Then we can put it like that. And as you can see, it goes automatically. We don't even have to do anything. And as you can see, it's finished. Under this glass we have the glue, so we have to make something like that until we clean all of that stuff. And because this is the bad quality of the product, it's very cheap. It's around $1, so very cheap screen protector. So when you press this screen protector, it disappears. So we have to do it all the time until all of these weird things disappear from the screen. But the most important is that we don't have here any air under the screen. I mean under the tempered glass. Okay, and right now let's try to turn on device, and as you can see, device is working. Works really good. There is no any problem with the screen interaction. So that's basically how we can apply screen protector on the ZTE Blade 10. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.